Welcome to the Blind Android Users channel. This is your source for everything Android, tutorials and demos, all from a blindness perspective. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Up next, we have the highlights from Talkback. We continue now with our theme of highlights from Talkback. This is installment 25. In our last installment, which was installment 24, I detoured and talked about the spoken language feature. Today, however, I am resuming what we started in installment 23, and that is the one-finger angle gesture. I'll be using my Pixel 6 Pro running the very first developer preview of Android 13 and Talkback 12.1. For speech services this week, I am utilizing the Heather voice from the Acapella group. I am currently on my home screen and will now invoke the Talkback menu, but instead of tapping with 3 fingers to invoke the Talkback menu, I thought that it would be nice to simply use that one-finger angle gesture by drawing a line downward and curving to the right to invoke the Talkback menu. I will now do just that.
Talkback menu. Actions in list.
I am in the Talkback menu, and next I'm tapping on Talkback Settings.
Talkback settings. Talkback settings. Navigate up button out of list.
I am in the Talkback settings. I will now scroll up by putting 2 fingers in the middle of the phone, gliding those fingers upwards, thus scrolling down my page.
Showing items 4 to 15 of 15.
Here, I'm looking for Customize Gestures.
Customize gestures.
Here is Customize Gestures, and I'll tap here.
Customize gestures. Navigate up button out of list.
I am now on the gesture customization page. Next, I'm going to change my granularity by swiping up and down to change my granularity to the heading's granularity. By the way, you could either swipe down with 3 fingers from the top or from the left or right to do the same thing. I simply prefer the up and down scrub to change my granularity using 1 finger. I'll now do just that.
Speech rate. Windows. Links. Controls. Headings.
Here's my headings. And now, instead of swiping up and down, I'll simply swipe down 1 at a time till it says one-finger angle gestures. Here we go.
1 finger heading in list.
This is a 1 finger.
1 finger back and forth heading.
This is a back and forth.
1 finger angle heading. Showing items 9 to 19 of 54. Swipe up then right, open Talkback menu. Showing items 9 to 19 of 54.
Here is our swipe up then right, and that opens the Talkback menu. Now, I'm not sure if I had done this or not, but of course we remember that swiping down and curving to the right opens up the Talkback menu, so it's most likely that we have double of these. You could change this gesture to something else. For example, if I wanted to change this to a tap instead of swiping up and right to invoke the Talkback menu, I'll tap here to go change it, reassign it to a tap.
Swipe up then right. Open Talkback menu, checked, in list. Showing items 33 to 48 of 52.
And here we're looking for the tap. I'll put my finger down.
Tap.
That's the one I want. I tap here.
Customize gestures. Swipe up then right, tap, in list. Showing items 9 to 19 of 54.
What this entails is that if you happen to be one of those that do not like tapping on your phone all the time, then all that you could do when it comes time for tapping on an icon or something, All that needs happen is simply draw that line upward and curving to the right to simulate that tapping motion. I'll show you what I'm talking about by highlighting an icon or folder on my home screen, and instead of tapping, I'll simply swipe up then right to activate that icon or folder. Here's what I'm talking about.
Folder, Google, 4 or more items.
I will now swipe up and curve to the right.
YouTube. Folder opened, 3 by 3.
That opens up my Google folder, and in here we have things like YouTube,
Drive,
Meet,
Home,
Home,
Translate,
and things like that. And that's how you go about reassigning the upright gesture to activate the Talkback menu to something else that you would rather have it do. And that's today's Talkback highlight. Thanks for listening to another clip from the Blind Android Users channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're notified of every new material that we upload. Thanks again for listening to the Blind Android Users channel.